With the snow day last week, I forgot to send a tech tip of the week, so this week you're in for a good one. This is filtering YouTube video search results. So the thing about using YouTube is, it's a great resource, but there's almost too much there. So say I'm looking for something that I want to do in my classroom. Maybe I want to do some kids sing-along videos. And I hit enter. Now you'll see a variety of results come up, but look at how long some of these are. In my mind, I just want a short sing-along video. And a lot of people don't know it's there, but we use the filter option. And now, for example, I can look for current things, types of videos, and even length. And as you'll see, now my search results are changed and everything I have is 4 minutes or less. So again, it's a useful tool when you're searching for maybe something for a hook at the beginning of a lesson, or some short type of video, or maybe even filtering by a long type of video if you're looking for a comprehensive video instead of just a snippet. So give it a try. It's just using the filter button on YouTube.